All right, so I think I pretty well got it flattened out. The router sled, I've been having issues, early on trying to get this flattened. I think it's pretty close now, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this 4-inch plus piece of oak that I'm making coffee tables out of. All right, so that works pretty good. I'm not really sure about the bit that I have in here. For whatever reason, it cuts flatter and better this direction than it does going back this way. I guess I'll look into that. I'm not really sure why it does that. I'm sure it has something to do with the way it's spinning, but anyway. So it does work better that way. So as you notice, you may have caught toward the center. I started making it one pass, then pulling over, coming back, and just doing one at a time like this, kind of rounding. And yeah, it really works well. So I should be able to take a sander to this and flatten this out really well. Very happy with it.